Welcome to day 94 of me backtesting my way to success. First trade was a loss, and the reasons why I entered were equilibrium from the swing low to the swing high, this daily fair value gap, and then a reaction off of the volume area. So actually at first what I did was I was in the 4 hours and I saw this equilibrium and it fit with the fair value gap. That's why I wanted to enter on a impulsive move away from this kind of volume, from this volume area. But it didn't happen, and then I scaled into the higher time frames. In the daily, it looked even more like this was the impulsive move. And so that also kind of fit with the monthly open. And yeah, and then we had a really good reaction with this volume area. As you can see, two were really good impulsive moves, even a third one, but I entered on a second. My take profits were at this volume area and at the swing high. My stop loss was below the daily equilibrium fair value gap with just a little breathing room. And yeah, as you can see, it was kind of obvious to me after this bounce, after it didn't break through right here, that I would get stopped out, because yeah, it bounced at the monthly open. It acted as a support level, then it used the volume area as a resistance level, and just you can clearly see it bounced here in between, and then it went down. Because usually with the monthly or weekly open, it uses it as a support level and then as a resistance level, or the other way around. So it's usually always both ways. As you can see, at first here as a support level, it broke through resistance level, and then it broke through that, and then it went up. Right here again, it acted as a support level and it broke through right now. So it looks like it's going to go further down. So let's just see how the next trade goes. Next trade was also a loss, and the reasons why I entered were this 4-hour fair value gap, equilibrium from the swing high to the swing low, and then I entered on a good break structure after price went into the golden zone. Right here, good break structure. Take profit was at the swing low. Stop loss was above the golden zone with a little breathing room. And another reason as to why I thought price was going to go down was because price just reversed before going into this daily fair value gap. And yeah, I think for one, I could have made a break even right here because price reversed before taking out my TP. I remember that I wrote down on Sunday that I should move my stop loss to the break even if that happens. I didn't do it because I got greedy. And another reason as to why I actually shouldn't have entered the trade at all was because of this really consolidating movement right here. Because you can see price just really, I think also the fair value gap got already used here. As you can see, it went out of it. And, just really consolidating movement all the time, not really impulsive up to this point. Just as you can see, it was really consolidating the whole time. And what I've noticed is, well, currently, let's say there's this impulsive movement from the swing high to the swing low. And then what I've noticed is like if price just is moving like this, consolidating up all the way up to the golden zone, then most likely price just retests at some point right here, or just straightly or instantly just goes out of the equilibrium range. And that's why I don't take those trades anymore. And it seems like right now what I can take from this trade is if like there's a consolidation also at this area, and I also shouldn't take it or should take the trade, because it also means that price is going to go higher. Yeah, I think that's what I can take from this trade actually. So that's really it for today's episode. We'll see you on the next one.